My learnings from a tea seller. This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. So near my home on the streets, there's a famous tea seller in the area, and he has really communicated in a very unique way. Most tea sellers on the streets are selling a lot of tea, but they don't really have a brand name. They go by location. But this tea seller, he managed to do something really crazy and different. He used to literally shout out off his stall, "Come get bad tea. Come get the worst tea you've ever had. Come get bad tea." In the regional language Hindi, he said, "Kharab chai, sabse kharab chai." He literally used to advertise himself as the bad tea guy. What that did was, funnily enough, attract more people to him because he was doing something so unique and funny that people, passerbys who wanted to have tea, he caught their attention, and he almost became a brand in the area where people started saying, "Hey, I want to go to the bad tea guy. I want to drink tea from the bad tea guy." So what he did was he used a genius method of using something very negative or absurd or weird to attract more attention in his business. Fantastic communication I learned from this guy, the bad tea seller. So if you ever come to my area, I'll take you there for a glass of tea. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.